In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create a solid colour in Premiere Pro. Let's get into it. Here I am in Premiere Pro, and to create a solid colour, all we need to do is go down and click on this paper looking icon, scroll down to Colour Matte, make sure it's the correct resolution for your video, and then choose OK, and then it's going to bring up the colour picker. Now you can input your hex code here, you can use the paint dropper tool, or you can just select the colour yourself. So say if I go for Create a Fix Yellow, that looks about right, and then you just choose OK. Then you can give your colour a name, and then it will create the solid as a media clip within your project. Now let's say if I want to go ahead and create a new sequence from this clip. There we have it, our solid colour has been loaded into the sequence and it's ready to edit. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and comment your thoughts below. And for more Creative Fix tutorials, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one.